Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to check your internet speed on your mobile device for both Wi-Fi and cellular. I'll show you two places that I check just so I can get readings from two different sources just in case one is off a bit. The first place that we'll look at is a website called Fastcom, which is powered by Netflix. In your mobile web browser, just head to fast.com and the test will automatically run. I'm on my Wi-Fi right now, so this is given my current Wi-Fi speeds. If I want to test my cellular connection right now, I'll just swipe down from the top right to access Control Center and then tap Wi-Fi to turn it off. I'll head back to fast.com and rerun the speed test. Now I'll see my current cellular speed. The next place you can go to check is by using the built-in Google speed test. In the address bar, head to google.com. From here, search speed test. This top section here is the built-in Google speed test. Tap Run Speed Test. It will then run and give you your internet connection speed. And again, if I want to now check my Wi-Fi speed, I'll just head back to Control Center, re-enable my Wi-Fi, head back to the web browser, and then hit Test again. And that's how you check your Wi-Fi and cellular internet connection speeds on your mobile device. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.